Hello and welcome to my video. Maz White here, www.mazwhitedigitalmarketing.com. And if this is the first time you're watching me online, I encourage you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so that you get notified every time I upload a video. What I do on my channel is purely affiliate marketing, and I bring you tips and information that help you to do affiliate marketing and to do affiliate marketing with results. Now in today's tutorial, I'm going to be looking at how I went from broke to start a profitable online business using affiliate marketing. Now I share this video because of somebody out there who needs this kind of content to move on with his life. So if you're that person out there and you value freedom, you value financial stability, you value financial freedom, you value flexibility of work, you want to work from anywhere in the world, you want to live life at your own time, and you want to travel and make passive income, this is the right place for you, and this is the right video for you. All right, so having said that, let us go straight into this video. All right, now my journey into affiliate marketing or into the make money online space started very on a very funny note. Now I remember pretty into the lockdown, and I happened to find myself in Nigeria. All right, I stay in Malaysia, and I happened to find myself in Nigeria, and it wasn't long after I came back and the lockdown started, and at a point I was broke. Then I remember that fateful day, I took up my phone and tapped into my phone how to make money online, because I know that the internet affords us a huge opportunity to make money. All right, and I know that there are folks out there who make money using the internet, but until then I didn't know how to do that. And I remember in the course of my search to make money online, I came across a lot of write-ups. Google brought up a lot of write-ups for me, and I had a guy say something like that a lot of young people earn money through the digital economy. He said things like freelance digital marketing. He said things like the digital economy. He said things like the gig. And until then, I didn't know anything about what he was saying. I literally didn't know anything about digital marketing. All right. Then I went on my search. I continued on my search, and I think the anchor for me was when I read a guy online. The guy said that when you are new into making money online or into the internet marketing thing, he said at a point you're going to be so confused because you have this loads of content, these loads of information barraging you from all sides. You are just going to be confused after a while. It's like you got into the wood and you're lost. But he said something. He said just continue. He said, as you continue, after a while, the whole thing is just going to begin to take shape before you, and you're going to begin to narrow down your search to a particular area in the make money thing, and in terms of using the internet to make money. He said, after a while, you're going to discover that your search is going to begin to narrow down, and you're going to start having a clearer picture of what actually to do with the internet, or what method you're just going to follow to make money online. All right, and that was what kept me going. Don't forget that I'm sharing with you how I went from being broke to start a profitable online business using affiliate marketing. All right, and I'm sharing this lesson because I want somebody out there to learn, all right, and to follow. All right, now the turning point for me came when I had one other guy online. The guy wrote something. The guy said that the money is in affiliate marketing, and until then I knew virtually nothing about affiliate marketing. So I went online to search what affiliate marketing is. And I got to understand that affiliate marketing is simply you recommending product online, all right, recommending other people's product and services online, and you're earning commission doing that. And that was the breakthrough for me. That was just the breakthrough. That statement was like an epiphany for me. It opened my eyes. So I went on to I did some more research about how I could use affiliate marketing as a business model to create an online business for myself. And what I did was that I had to look for mentors online. All right. Now, this is the key. Whatever thing you want to achieve in life, whatever thing you want to accomplish in life, there are people who already have done that over time, and they are success in that field. All right. And those people have their contents everywhere. They got books, they got videos, they got books, and they got videos, and they got their seminars everywhere. All right. So it is as simple as you going after their materials, go after their content, go after their books, get their videos, get their audios, get their podcast, and begin to learn from them. All right. And that is what we call mentorship. Get a mentor in that area. It is as simple as that. If you want to do, if you want to get into something, all right, a career or a project, all right, that you haven't been in before, you are an amateur, you are a newbie, but you want to become a success in that area. It is as simple as looking for mentors who have been there before. I remember listening to Brian Tracy, and Brian Tracy said that every success leaves a footprint. Every success leaves a footprint. So all you have to do is to follow the footprint of that success, and you're definitely going to accomplish what that success has been able to accomplish. It is as simple as that. So I got mentors online, people like John Cristani. I got people like Russell Brunson, people like Franklin Hatchett. Then down here in Nigeria, I have this great guy called Franklin Emmanuel. Then Gerard Ume and Daniel Ume. Those are great influence on my life. They really helped me on this affiliate journey. All right, I keyed into their videos. I began to learn a lot of things from them. All right, and that is how my breakthrough came. I began to learn from them, folks. I began to learn from them. All right, I met people like Chad Bartlett, people like Anik Singal online, and I began to learn from them. I began to learn how to pick up a product, build my marketing funnel around that product. All right, do my Facebook ad, do my Instagram ads, create content, create contents, how to drive organic traffic to your offer. All right, I began to learn all this from them. I got myself a mentor. All right, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead right now, subscribe this channel and hit the notification button so that you get to be notified every time I upload a video. And I want you to leave a comment at the same time. All right, so I got myself a mentor. All right, I got myself a mentor, and I began to learn from my mentors. So the next thing I did was to find my voice in the market. What do I mean by find my voice in the market? I began to create contents. Telling my stories. All right, telling my stories, creating awareness, creating trust, creating customer loyalty, and all that. And eyeballs began to come to my product. People began to see what I was selling. All right, and I began to make sales. It is as simple as that. Every success leave a track. All right, every success leave a track. If there is one thing that you got to take home from this video, it is everything is learnable. You can learn anything from those who have been there before. It is as simple as that. All right, so I began to create content, and then I won't forget to mention. I remember coming across Franklin Emmanuel online, and he was my mentor at that time. I was asking him a lot of questions, and he was telling me how to do, instructing me, telling me what to do, how to go about creating my own online business using affiliate marketing. And he recommended to me. Then he said, "Why don't you start with expertnia.com, which is this Nigerian affiliate marketing platform. All right, instead of starting with places like ClickBank, JVZoo, Digistore24, Commission Junction, and other affiliate marketing place." All right, he said, "Why don't you start with our own affiliate marketing platform, which is expertnia.com." All right, and expertnia.com is Nigerians' own, or Africa's own, ClickBank. All right, it's an affiliate marketing platform with high value digital products, and I'm talking about hot products that are converting like crazy. All right, most of the digital products on Expertnia converts like crazy, and they come with huge affiliate commissions. All right, so Franklin Emmanuel exposed me to that, told me, "You go sign up with expertnia.com and begin to promote product on that platform." And I am so happy I followed his instruction, and I did exactly what he told me to do, and it has not been the same since then. It hasn't been the same. My financial status changed. All right, my financial status changed, and I've been so happy doing affiliate marketing. All right, so that is how I was able to start a profitable online business from being broke, using affiliate marketing as a business model. And you also can do that. All right, what I can do, you can do that. So if you're out there, you don't have a job, you're trading your time for money. All right, you don't have the freedom, you don't have the flexibility to spend time with your family. When you want to spend time with your family, work from anywhere in the world, I think affiliate marketing is quite a good one for you. All right, it's quite a good one for you because it affords you virtually everything that you desire when it comes to work and finance. All right, so in case you're out there and you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing, I'm going to leave a link below this video of a program called the 72 IG implementation program. I tell you, it is about the best training when it comes to learning how to do affiliate marketing. It is about the best training anywhere in the world. All right, I of course, before I came across that training, I bought other courses online and other trainings online trying to learn affiliate marketing, but none was like 72 IG implementation system. All right, because it comes with a lot of benefits. You have email templates, you have your web pages templates, samples of email copies and all that. You have and it is taught in video. All right, the entire tutorial comes in video and in text, so it's like holding you by the hand and teaching you how to do it, how to do affiliate marketing. All right, it teaches you how to do Facebook ad, Instagram ad. You also learn how to write your pre-sale ads. All right, it comes with sample templates that you can use. All right, so it's quite an amazing one. So I encourage you to click on the link below, go watch that training, go get that training for yourself. All right, and thank you for being here with me to the end of this video. If you haven't subscribed, please, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel and then leave a comment and get in touch with me in case you have any question to ask. My name is Maz White, and thank you for staying with me to the end of this video. God bless you. See you in my next video.